Welcome to the Education Abroad Course Equivalency Workshop. Today we're going to be discussing the course equivalency process for study abroad. The first thing that I'm going to show you is our outward-facing course equivalency database. So you can go onto our studyabroad.ua.edu website and go down to the Study Abroad Course Equivalency Database tab, click in, and go down to the link that says Course Equivalency Database. Whenever you go in here, you can look at specific courses that are for study abroad. So if you wanted to take a Marketing 300 course, you would just type in Marketing 300, and then it would pull all of the Marketing 300 courses that are found abroad. You could look and see here where it is, what university does it, how many course credits you're going to receive, and what course it is there in the abroad institution. If you were interested in going to a particular university, you can copy the university's name, and then you can pull up that particular university's courses and see how many courses that particular location has. You can also sort the courses. So if you were looking for a particular course, such as a Psych 372, you could see that that course was offered there. Then you can also add new courses through the MyBama once you have a UA approved application. So the student would go in, they would go under their academics tab in their MyBama. Then they would go to the Education Abroad box into the Study Abroad Credit Approval. They would click it and go in. This is where the student would then look at what program they were going on. They would select the program, click New Request, and they can put in the course that they were trying to take. So if I was trying to do that PY 397 course, I can select it, and then I can submit that course for approval. That links that course to that student and the program that they're on. Once the student does that, it comes into the status report. And in that status report, it's going to tell you exactly where in the process that particular course is. So we can see this course is pending. We can withdraw from the course if that isn't one that we want to take. You can also see any courses that are complete and what the UA course number that they would receive. And then you can also see where a course is withdrawn. You can also add new courses into the database by creating a new equivalency, where you click up here with the green. Once you do that, you would choose your host institution. It should pull down the link to where the address is. If it doesn't, you would put that in automatically, or you would type that in. You would then put in their course number. So if it was an English 100 course, you would type that in. You would then type English, and then how many credits it is, and then what type of credits. Is it taught in English or not? Most of the courses are taught in English unless it says otherwise. Then you also would do the link to the website where the course is listed. Do make sure that you choose a link that goes directly to the syllabus for the course, not to a page right before where it has a list of a whole bunch of courses. If you do this, the evaluator will send it back to you. So do make sure that that link goes directly to the syllabi. If it does not, then you will need to download a PDF of that document and attach it here where you can select a file. You can add syllabi there as well. If you have a PDF document, do make sure that it's one of the selected files. There only are certain ones that you can upload, so do make sure that it's a supporting document, a supported document. The comments section is for if it's a lecture portion and a lab, you can put this is the lecture portion of the course, this is the lab. That way, if they're two separate courses, they can be combined and be counted for a total of 4 credits instead of 3 and 1, and them not count for a full course. Once you've done that, you can submit for approval. That process typically takes anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks. It goes to the professor that's over that department, and then they decide what the course equivalent is. Another thing to talk about is sometimes students will get elective credit for particular courses. Those elective credits can be substituted for other courses. So it is important to make sure that you talk with your academic advisor about the courses that you're taking and see how that can actually fit within your actual academic plan. So if you need a substitution for, say, a political science elective so that it fits into your particular degree works plan, you would need to talk with your academic advisor or your major advisor. So do make sure that you talk with them directly as far as those things are concerned. If you have any questions, please make sure that you email our office at studyabroad.ua.edu and we will get back with you. Thank you for watching our course equivalency workshop. If you have any questions, please feel free to come to our in-person workshop every Wednesday at 3. We will help you put courses in the course equivalency database.